Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm smiling, I'm laughing right now because finally the reactors, them actually, actually get to Ayamara, get him to react. And the only reason why he's reacting, family, is because Errands Dante is actually in Kenya, and the reactors, them, is actually protecting his interest right now. They're protecting his interest right now. So that's the reason why he's actually blowing out email like crazy and even willing to debate reactors. So, as I said, no sins go unpunished, family. What they did to Jam Tours will affect and will affect them for a very long time and forever until this problem is resolved and until he allow his sister to actually refund Jam Tours his money. These things will forever, it's like your blessing just keep blocking. Just no matter how much people come from America, come to do this and do that. People always remember Jam Tour's story. Them always remember the Afro-Indians. Them always remembers everything that you guys did. Them always remember it because of the reactors, And just don't be surprised. Don't be surprised when actually these news broadcasters go on the internet and find all of these things that you guys been doing. And actually come and denounce it, that you guys come into actually, do people in Kenya. So I just want to have some actually, the email that he sent to the reactors. These are the emails that he sent to the reactors family. And I just want to read these emails that he sent. I hope you are making good money out of my name, Frederick Mara. Yes, you're giving the people them reason. You're going around lying and saying a lot of stuff about your sister of Airbnb in Kenya, and when you know that it's Jam Tours Airbnb, you're going around lying. So we expect the people, when Jam Tours come out with all of these receipts and stuff, they know that it's a lie, and they know that all your sister do is go around and faking and lying on the internet. The thing is normal. The thing is it's normal to react to videos without fabricating lies. Which lies? Everything that these reactors do, there's evidence and video to prove what you said before. So there's no lies. The videos you and your team are making is out of control. Yeah, it's out of control, yes, because what you're doing is out of control. You do not represent Kenya. You are a coward. Keep my name out of your mouth. And to be honest, Mari is not even like Kenyans, because you live way at the border between Tanzania, So, and your tribe is like the minority in Kenya. So you're not even a Kenyan. Your tribe is from Tanzania. So you're not even a Kenyan. So you shouldn't even be talking. If you want history, I can give you history. You're not even a Kenyan. It's like the minority groups in Kenya. So that's the last thing you can ever say. The three of you have been so tight lately, making good mockery out of my name for every video post. What is your purpose in life? Yeah, that's this. Clear and trending and AM Carol, perfect job. You guys are doing the marvelous job. Just continue doing what you're doing. And once you have the evidence and the proof and stuff, just continue. Other people, Kung Fu, Fanta, everybody's joining in. And we are doing it. First it was like other reactors, they used to complain from West Africa, they're lying. But no, Kenyans are coming with the truth. Kenyans are now coming with the truth. And that is what is actually hitting him in the side, in his chest, all over his body. We're punching him down with the truth, and we're making enlightened people not to actually send no donation to them because they are not trustworthy because of what they did to Jam Tours. Until they can come out and fix Jam Tours issue, these things will always, following you guys. Always. Everybody in the family. The things I am giving you heads up before I pursue further action in court and lawyers. You guys are a coward. You would not even face me, accuse me in my face. That's what I'm saying, man. I wish you could take somebody because I'll definitely put up a fund. I'll definitely actually, invest and pay part. If you carry anybody to court, I'll definitely, pay part of the lawyer fee. I personally, Jam Tours will do that. Because remember, your sister is hiding from Jam Tours right now. Because Jam Tours bring your sister to court and she's hiding. You never turn up for court. I don't know what it is. So, you know, if you bring somebody to court, I'll pay for that. I'll pay a part of that court, you know, court fee. You know what I mean? And I would love for you to do that, to actually, you know what I mean, involve Jam Tours. Because most of Jam Tours have you guys in court, you know, it's on the record, you know, it's in the Kenya registry. It's in the Kenya registry. And you can go and check it. Ask your sister for the code and check it. Check it for yourself. That's what you need to do. You know what I mean? Ask her, you know what I mean? I am simply waiting to ask you to stop shaming me. Yes, you need to get shamed, because if you're doing things that is out of line, you have to get shamed. If you all think you capable of facing via live debate, yes, you know, I ask them to reply to you, and we will actually organize a live debate if that's what you want. You know what I mean? I am open to certain condition. We want to know the condition. Let us know the condition for the live debate. Let us know. You rather shame me, name cowardly and falsely. Nobody's shaming you cowardly and falsely, Mara. All the videos I did about you guys, I am in Kenya. Why don't you send me an email like that? Why don't you actually come allow your sister, you know, accompany your sister to court and deal with the situation? Why don't you do that? Instead you come here talking and saying things that is irrelevant. Imagine somebody here have your sister in court and you actually, you know what I mean, come in and saying things about somebody that, you know what I mean, that do not have you guys in court. It's Jam Tours you should be actually coming and talking about, you know what I mean, and sending this email to, and sending, and last time you and your sister team up, I don't know how to get fake documents to let me remove my videos. But I'm redoing these videos now, and I'm not getting any letters from you. I take you guys to court, and I'm not getting no reply, no turning up. So what is happening? That's what I want to know. What is happening? All of these things. So this was like this is a new email him sent recently. Let me make myself clear before you read this email. Everything I say in this email is approved by my lawyer. First of all, when you have a lawyer, you don't need to message nobody and tell them nothing. The lawyer do everything. The lawyer attend court for you. The lawyer send all of the documents. And as you guys can see, that Dee Mwango even blocked my attorney from sending her the court documents. So, you know, if you have a lawyer, you don't need to come and tell nobody nothing. You just do your thing and that's it. You are not allowed to make a reaction video in this email. This is a rule out by my lawyer. So what he's trying to do, he's trying to scare you guys away again using lawyer. You know what I mean? He's trying to scare you guys away using lawyer. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So that's why he's saying that. So he want to see if you guys will stop react. But guys, you should never stop react. Never stop react. If however you make reaction video, you will be held accountable in a courtroom. The real court documents has been sent to your sister Mara. Deal with that first before you can talk about this crap you're sending. Okay, let me start off by saying this. I couldn't care less of watching the trash reaction. So if you never watch the reaction, you know, it hurt you so much. You know that there's a reaction if you never watch the reaction. Why? Trash reaction video, and I could not have such time for that. I tried to be you know, communicative. I am Mara. Please know that I am recently aware that you have upload a reaction video of Errands Dante interview KBC. Wow, so that interview, they feel that Errands Dante was coming into Kenya to be a big shot. Oh, I'm an entrepreneur from the US. I am green waste, all kind of madness. You know what I mean? And when you check his address or his company is actually in his room and his house. That's where his company is. So, you know what I mean? It's crazy. I am begging you to get ready, because as soon as I come back to Kenya, you will be receiving a court papers with your receiving court papers with your dark friend. Make sure that dark friend of yours, she knows it. I hope that both of you have saved the YouTube money, because you are going to need it really bad on lawyers. We will have a lot to talk in court. Both of you combined, your salary is monthly income. Is my monthly income, so I don't have the problem going after you. But then, do you really want to be responsible for such video that could cause harm to all of you when the judge looks at it? And how are you going to explain such accusation, such as innocent person who is trying to help Kenya? Wow, so what he's doing, family, is trying to scare the reactors away so they don't come out with the truth about Errands Dante. That's what he's trying to do. I am telling you to remove that video immediately. That video that video is making ballistic family. Why? Because they feel like that video now would actually give them some approve to actually be in Kenya, and Errands Dante is like a billionaire entrepreneur and he coming to save Africa and all of that stuff. You know, people already read through these things from you guys take the Afro-Indians money and don't give them the money. Why never wire the money to the Afro-Indians, them family, for them to make them go to school or whatever, and post the transaction that, you know what I mean, I wire the money to the Afro-Indians them and that's it. The money is still there, you know, in Errands Dante account. And you guys saying, oh, you guys going to go to India to all kind of madness. You know what I mean? When people know that they cannot bring kids to another country, you know what I mean, and stuff like that, because these people are kids. I could not give a damn about your reaction video. Me, I will be dealing with that one might on my own time separately. Yeah, come back to Kenya and make sure you deal with Dee Mwango situation with Jam Tours. You know what I mean? That's what you need to deal with, Ayamara. That's what you need to deal with. It's that one, and is this the one and one Errands Dante I'm talking about? This is serious matter. Please remove it immediately. You're reaching an Errands Dante who is an entrepreneur, intelligent person, and he's trying to help Kenya. And here you are like an idiot person. You are always are with your dark friend. Family, this reaction burn the boy wicked. Doing a reaction video full of accusation and bashing Errands Dante's name falsely is a crime. You are digging a rabbit hole for yourself with your useless maggot South African boyfriend. I don't think you know what you are doing. You are delusional, confused old woman who has nothing better to do. I tried to communicate it, but you are the only Kenyan stupid person that has ever raised. We don't even know where you are originated. You are giving false information, Aaron, by inviting people who has no clue what you are saying. You are not even worthy of cleaning his shoes. Wow. Wow. So guys, you can see how immature Ayamara is. You can see, like, you know, these are just like kids, like, you know what I mean, saying, you know, all of these stuff, like, you know, just to defend Errands Dante, because they know the objective when Errands Dante get to Kenya. They know that Errands Dante is the golden goose, so they have to protect him at all costs. You are giving false information, Errands Dante. You are not even worthy to clean his shoes. You and your dark, ugly friend and your South African maggot friend will pay this. Again, I am repeating myself. Remove the Errands Dante video. It's not a good look on a person who claims to be Kenyan to do an outrageous video like that. That my ugly looking man does not know what he's. Yeah, family. So I applaud A.M. Karalem and Cleo Barney and Anthony doing this video. Why? Because the Afro-Indians money is out there right now in Errands Dante's account. Why would you come to Kenya now when you collect donation? Years ago, it's almost 1 year now they collect that money, and the money has not reached to the Afro-Indians. So how can we trust you to actually come in Kenya to bill and taking donation and doing stuff? So these are the things that, you know, I mean, I wish that broadcaster was actually have this information to ask him and the ear. That's what they should have done. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is here and she wanna go. We're gonna go to the market. And I just want to end this reaction video. And comment in the box below, family. Comment and advise Ayamara when you get back to Kenya. You should advise the sister to refund Jam Tours his money. And we can all live in peace and harmony. You have anything to say, Miss Jam Tours?
No.
Why?
I can't wait for us to go.
Okay, I want to go. Alright, family. One love, job bless. I'm out.